so today we have to make a math video on an Algebra 1 subject, alright? Don't ask. I didn't ask to do this. Just do it, you know? Oh, wow, we already have ideas. Yes. Say your idea.
Maybe we can show how chickens lay eggs while they, you know, do math.
Everybody just get to work! Alright. I have an idea. Oh yes! We have another idea. Yes, sir? Why don't we do whole numbers and integers?
Yeah, you see this kid right here? He actually meant to say absolute value, not whatever you did say. I'm sick of it. John, have you ever noticed that no one can ever get their lines right?
Just stick to the script,
Very
man.
sick of it. I quit this job.
Just stick to
No,
the script,
I
man.
quit.
Guys, it's not part of the script.
I quit this job.
Come on, man.
No one ever respects me.
Man,
And
just finish the script,
just
man.
because you're my boss
Your
doesn't
lunch
mean you
break
have
is
like
almost coming
some
up.
kind
You're
of
gonna be
power
done soon.
over
Just
me or
finish the
something.
script. We
I
put
quit.
$2.5
I'm walking out the
million
door right now.
into this
Shut
video.
up.
We're not letting this
Shut
just
up.
go.
I'm leaving.
Come on,
I
man.
quit.
Come on, I'll raise your pay. Don't.
I can't believe I even signed up for this job. Don't know what I was.
No. That is way too simple. Yeah, but you never said it had to be challenging. You just said it had to be from Algebra 1. Huh. You're right. Nobody said it had to be challenging. Alright, your idea goes. Gold star for you. Why indeed I am exquisite and I will take your gold star. Even though it really doesn't mean much to me, but thank you anyways. Alright, well, since we have our math subject now, let's get started. Absolute value is the distance between 0 and whatever number is placed in front of you. For example, the distance between 0 and -5 is 5, and the distance between 0 and 5 is also 5. No matter if you're going towards the negatives or the positives, the distance will always be positive. What I have drawn is an absolute value sign. I'm going to put -8 in there for instance. That 8 would then turn into a positive because on a number line, if you go from 0 to -8, the distance between those two would be 8, making the answer 8. Now for a little bit of a bigger problem with -8 plus 9, with -8 being absolute value to 8, which would be 17. When you have a problem like -8 plus 9 that is needed to be absolute valued, it can be a little bit tricky. The problem still acts as a regular -8 plus 9, except for when it comes to your final answer, it always has to be absolute valued. So in our case, the answer was 1, but if it was -1, it would have been absolute value to 1 still. And that's how you do absolute value, and here's a horrible picture to end it off. Alright, so what did you guys think of the math video? No! Not you, Quan. Not again. What did you do to them? You know, I don't want to know. I want to go. I'm gonna get out. Flippy Tongue Tammy, is that you?
Yes, it is me, Flippy Tongue Tammy, and with a flick of my tongue, I will kill you.
Don't flip your tongue, please. Please, Flippy Tongue Tammy.
Oh, I will.
Don't do it. You just flipped your tongue, nothing happened.